Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to claim the daily cipher. So the Morse code for today, being 24th June 2024, is ALT. So the first thing you do is to go to daily cipher here. So if you've not claimed your reward, your daily reward, you can go here to claim it. But then let's go to daily cipher here and claim the daily cipher. So we've clicked on the daily cipher. Remember, the Morse code for today is ALT. To get the A, you do the regular tap and then you long press. That's one short tap and one long tap. So to get the A, let's go ahead. One short tap, one long tap for the A. For the L, one short tap, one long tap, one short tap and another short tap. For the L is one short tap, one long tap, and then two other short taps to get the L. For the T, the last letter is just one long tap. Just do one long tap. That's it for the T. And then we've cracked the code. So that's it for today's video, guys. Ensure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. And then if you've not claimed your daily reward, go ahead and claim it. So I'll go ahead to claim mine here. This is it, daily tasks. Click on it, then click on claim. So ensure that you always claim this daily reward every day. If not, you will lose your streak. So just continue this thing. I've claimed up to day 10, so that's why I started afresh. As you can see, come back tomorrow. So that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. You can ask your questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys.